Welcome to Device Lab. Today, we'll be examining the best mini ITX PC cases. The INWIN Chopan Max is a sleek, compact mini ITX case designed for space-saving builds. It features a pre-installed 200-watt power supply, making it convenient for those looking to assemble a minimalist setup without the hassle of sourcing a PSU separately. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for small form factor PCs, fitting easily in tight spaces while still providing sufficient airflow through its well-ventilated design. The front panel includes two USB 3.0 ports and audio in and out jacks, ensuring easy connectivity for peripherals. However, this model has some drawbacks. Its compact size limits the internal space, making it challenging to fit larger components like high-end GPUs or extensive cooling solutions. The 200-watt power supply, while convenient, might not be sufficient for more power-hungry builds, potentially limiting upgrade options. Additionally, the case only supports up to two 2.5-inch drives, which may not be enough for users requiring more storage flexibility. Overall, the Chopan Max is a stylish and practical choice for those aiming to build a compact and efficient mini ITX system. It's perfect for basic or moderate computing needs, but might fall short for high-performance gaming or workstation setups. Check the link in the description below for more details and to purchase on Amazon. The Fractal design Ridge is a stylish and compact mini ITX case that stands out with its elegant design and efficient use of space. This case is built to accommodate high-performance components while maintaining a sleek profile, making it a great choice for both gaming and media center PCs. It comes with two 140mm PWM fans, ensuring optimal airflow and cooling performance right out of the box. The front I/O panel is well equipped with two USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C port, and audio in and out jacks, providing versatile connectivity options. On the downside, the compact size can present challenges during assembly, particularly with cable management and fitting larger components. While it supports GPUs up to 12.6 inches in length, users may need to be mindful of the card's thickness and cooling solutions. The case also has limited space for additional storage drives, which could be a constraint for users with extensive storage needs. Additionally, the vertical orientation might not be suitable for all setups and could limit placement options. In summary, the Ridge is a well-designed and functional mini ITX case that excels in both aesthetics and performance. It's ideal for users looking to build a high-quality, space-efficient PC without compromising on component support. If you're interested in this case, check out the link in the description below to purchase it on Amazon. The Cooler Master Masterbox NR200P V2 is an excellent mini ITX case that combines compactness with exceptional flexibility and cooling potential. This updated version features improved internal layout and compatibility, allowing for a wide range of high-performance components. The case includes two 120mm fans and supports up to 7 fans in total, ensuring robust cooling options. Its front I/O panel is versatile, featuring two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB-C port, and audio in and out, catering to modern connectivity needs. Despite its many strengths, this model has some limitations. The compact form factor can make assembly more challenging, especially when managing cables and installing larger components. While it accommodates GPUs up to 12.99 inches in length, fitting thicker cards and elaborate cooling setups might be tight. Additionally, the case only supports mini ITX motherboards, which could limit options for those considering future upgrades or more diverse builds. In conclusion, the Masterbox is a standout choice for building a powerful, compact PC with excellent cooling capabilities. Its flexible design makes it suitable for both gaming and professional use. For more details and to purchase, check the link in the description below to visit the page on Amazon. The Johnsbow N1 is a unique mini ITX case designed with a focus on storage capacity, making it an excellent choice for users who need substantial internal storage without compromising on form factor. This compact case can house up to 5 3.5-inch hard drives or 3 2.5-inch SSDs, making it ideal for NAS builds or media storage solutions. The sleek aluminium exterior adds a premium feel, and the inclusion of a USB 3.1 Gen 2 port and a Type-C port on the front panel ensures modern connectivity options. However, this model has some limitations. The primary focus on storage means there's less room for other components, particularly large GPUs and extensive cooling systems. The compact design can also make assembly and cable management more challenging, especially for users installing multiple drives. Additionally, the reliance on SFX or SFXL power supplies might limit power options compared to cases that support standard ATX PSUs. In summary, the Johnsbow N1 is a specialized mini ITX case that excels in providing substantial storage in a compact form factor. It's an ideal choice for NAS or media server builds, but might not be suitable for high-performance gaming or workstation setups. For more details and to purchase, check the link in the description below to visit the product page on Amazon. The Silverstone Milo ML12 is a compact mini ITX case designed to maximize space efficiency while providing solid build quality. It features a mix of steel and plastic materials, ensuring durability and a sleek appearance. The case can accommodate up to 4 80mm fans, allowing for decent cooling options despite its small size. It also includes a combination of drive bays, with one 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch bays, offering flexibility for storage configurations. On the downside, this model's compact dimensions can lead to potential challenges with component compatibility and cable management. Users might find it difficult to fit larger components such as high-end graphics cards or bulky power supplies within the limited space. Additionally, the case's reliance on smaller 80mm fans might not provide as efficient cooling as larger fan options found in bigger cases. Overall, the Milo is a well-designed mini ITX case that balances compactness with functionality. It's ideal for those seeking a small form factor build without compromising on quality. For more details and to purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below. The Fractal design Terra Graphite is a sleek, compact PC case designed to maximize performance while minimizing space usage. It supports a mini ITX motherboard and offers ample space for a high-end GPU up to 322mm in length. The case is constructed from high-quality aluminium and steel, giving it a premium feel and excellent durability. With its stylish graphite finish, it can seamlessly blend into any modern setup. However, the compact design of this model does come with some trade-offs. Cooling options are somewhat limited, making it challenging to maintain optimal temperatures for high-performance components. Additionally, the small form factor can make cable management and assembly more difficult compared to larger cases. The price point is also higher than some might expect for a case of this size, which could be a consideration for budget-conscious builders. In summary, the Terra Graphite is a solid choice for those looking to build a powerful yet compact system with a premium aesthetic. It offers good GPU support and is made from durable materials, but keep in mind the potential challenges with cooling and assembly. Check out the Amazon link in the description below to learn more and purchase this case. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.